RoboAdvisors have emerged as a popular solution for individuals seeking automated investment management. These digital platforms use algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios, often requiring minimal human intervention. As technology advances, more investors are turning to RoboAdvisors for their convenience, low fees, and accessibility. This shift reflects a broader trend toward automation in the financial industry, making investing more approachable for people at all experience levels. A RoboAdvisor is an automated digital platform that helps manage investments using advanced algorithms. Instead of relying on human financial advisors, RoboAdvisors use computer programs to analyze your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Based on this information, they create and manage a diversified portfolio tailored to your needs. The system automatically rebalances your investments over time, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your objectives. This technology makes investing more accessible and often comes with lower fees compared to traditional advisory services. RoboAdvisors often have different minimum investment requirements, which can influence a potential investor's choice. Some platforms allow users to start with as little as $5 or $10, making them accessible to beginners or those with limited funds. Others may require initial deposits ranging from several hundred to a few $1,000s, targeting more established investors. These minimums are set to balance the costs of managing accounts while providing a range of options for different financial situations. Understanding these requirements is important when comparing RoboAdvisors to find the best fit for your investment goals. Before determining how much to invest, it's important to consider several key factors. Start by clarifying your financial goals, whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or building an emergency fund. Assess your risk tolerance to understand how comfortable you are with potential fluctuations in your investment's value. Additionally, think about your investment timeline, as the length of time you plan to keep your money invested can influence the types of assets that are most suitable for you. Taking these elements into account will help you make more informed and confident investment decisions. Before considering an investment with a RoboAdvisor, it's important to take a close look at your current financial situation. Start by evaluating your emergency savings to ensure you have enough set aside for unexpected expenses. Next, review any outstanding debts, especially those with high interest rates, as these can impact your overall financial health. By understanding your financial foundation, you can make more informed decisions about when and how much to invest. This careful assessment helps set the stage for a more secure and effective investment experience. Fees and account minimums play a significant role in shaping your investment experience with RoboAdvisors. Lower fees can help maximize your returns over time, as even small differences can add up due to compounding. Account minimums determine how much money you need to start investing, which can be a barrier for some individuals. It's important to compare these factors across different RoboAdvisors to find one that aligns with your financial goals and current resources. Being mindful of these costs ensures you make informed decisions that support your long-term investment strategy. Aligning your investment amount with your long-term financial objectives starts with clearly defining your goals, such as retirement, buying a home, or funding education. Once you have a target in mind, Consider your time horizon and risk tolerance to determine how much you need to invest and how aggressively you should allocate your assets. Regularly reviewing your progress and adjusting your contributions ensures you stay on track, even as your circumstances or market conditions change. By maintaining this alignment, you can increase the likelihood of reaching your financial milestones while managing potential risks along the way. Starting with a small investment in a RoboAdvisor account offers several advantages. It allows new investors to gain exposure to the market with minimal financial risk, making it accessible for those with limited funds. RoboAdvisors often provide automated portfolio management and diversification, which can help beginners build good investing habits. However, small account balances may be subject to higher relative fees, and some advanced features or personalized advice might only be available to larger investors. As a result, while starting small is a practical way to begin investing, it's important to be aware of these potential limitations. Building your investment portfolio steadily over time can be achieved through a few effective strategies. One popular approach is setting up recurring deposits, which allows you to contribute a fixed amount to your investments at regular intervals. Another method is dollar-cost averaging, where you invest the same amount of money regardless of market conditions. This helps reduce the impact of market volatility and can lead to more consistent growth. By automating your contributions and sticking to a disciplined plan, you can gradually increase your investment and potentially enhance your long-term returns. Robo-advisors typically require much lower minimum investments compared to traditional financial advisors. Many robo-advisors allow users to start with just a few $100s or even less, making them accessible to a wider range of investors. In contrast, traditional financial advisors often set higher minimums, sometimes requiring tens of thousands of dollars to begin. This difference in accessibility means that robo-advisors can be a practical option for beginners or those with limited funds, while traditional advisors may be better suited for individuals with more substantial assets. When investing with a robo-advisor, it's important to understand the tax implications of your investment choices. Many robo-advisors offer features like tax loss harvesting, which involves selling certain investments at a loss to offset gains elsewhere in your portfolio, potentially reducing your overall tax bill. The type of account you choose also matters. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s have different tax rules compared to standard brokerage accounts. Robo-advisors typically help optimize your investments for tax efficiency, but it's still wise to be aware of how your gains, losses, and contributions may be taxed. Consulting with a tax professional can provide additional guidance tailored to your specific situation. Investing too little with a robo-advisor can limit your potential returns and may not allow your portfolio to grow enough to meet your financial goals. On the other hand, investing too much without considering your risk tolerance or financial needs could expose you to unnecessary market volatility. It's important to assess your personal circumstances, such as your income, expenses, and long-term objectives, before deciding how much to invest. A balanced approach involves regularly reviewing your investment strategy and making adjustments as your situation changes. This helps ensure that your investments align with both your goals and your comfort with risk. Regularly reviewing your robo-advisor account is essential to ensure your investments remain aligned with your financial goals. As your life circumstances evolve, such as changes in income, family status, or retirement plans. It's important to update your profile and risk preferences within the platform. Most robo-advisors offer tools to help you track performance and suggest adjustments when necessary. Taking the time to monitor your account can help you stay on track and make informed decisions as your needs change. This proactive approach helps maximize the benefits of automated investing while keeping your strategy personalized. When deciding how much to invest, it's important to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Start by evaluating your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, and any existing savings. Setting clear objectives will help you determine an appropriate investment amount that aligns with your needs. Remember to diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Ultimately, investing should support your long-term financial well-being without compromising your immediate financial security.